Hey guys, so I'm pretty excited about this because I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, right? I admire when I watch a lot of my favorite creators create content on YouTube and share their experience and basically share their thoughts, and I learn a lot from them, right? So for me, I've always been a written content kind of guy, right? And we're doing less of video content. For now, I think it's the right time for me to start doing video content and sharing my thoughts and my experiences, basically, building online in tech and likes. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a series of trainings, right? So if you are interested in any topic around building on the online space, if you're interested in topics around technology, how to use some tech tools to make your life better, easier, and also make money for you should be subscribed to this channel. And also, if you are interested in growing some personal development topics like strategies, secrets, hacks, tips and tricks, and all that to enable you to be better at your life, better at your career, and better at your business, this is the channel you should be subscribed to, right? So if you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Richard Chukwu. I'm a cloud engineer by training, computer engineer by study, right? So what that means is that I study computer engineering, graduated from university, and I'm passionate about technology, passionate about helping people grow. I'm also passionate about speaking to a global audience, right? And sharing my story, my journey, and my resilience, right? I've failed a couple of times, I've succeeded a couple of times. So throughout my videos on YouTube, you're gonna be seeing some of those personal stories, and I'm gonna be sharing with you how you also can achieve some of the things I've been able to achieve at a very young age, right? Because I believe strongly in the power of consistency, and it's a message I've preached all over my social media channels, right? And I believe that beyond motivation and beyond inspiration, you can really be whatever you want to be, right? And achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. So if you're just tuning in, I need you to subscribe. The first time you're tuning into this channel, I need you to hit the subscribe button. And if you already know me on the online space, you can type "stay rich" in the comment section. For those of us that don't really know me, don't worry, you'll get to know me with time. And if any of the content I just mentioned now, even if the topics I just mentioned are what you are interested in, I would love you to stay tuned by being a subscriber and anticipating my future videos to come, because it's gonna be a whole lot of knowledge. I'm not gonna be holding anything back. A lot of stories to share actually, and basically about resilience, building a business, building a career, and starting from scratch. For some of us, we may not really have so much and feel like, oh, how can I really start a career? How can I start a business without any money? I'm here to tell you that that's very, very possible, right? I always tell people I started building online by using what we call night subscription, right, in Nigeria here, right? For those of us that are Nigerians, you understand how night subscription works, right, with MTN and the likes. So I started building on the online space, right, using night subscription. I could remember precisely in 2018, I spent my time trying to learn how to code in different programming languages. So I wasted my time doing that. But as the years went by, I decided to niche down and figure out exactly how to build product, specifically in a particular niche. And that was what brought me to being a cloud engineer and a technologist in general. Video on YouTube is also a way for me to document my journey on video, right? Because I believe there are a lot of things I'm building, a lot of things I'm working on that I would love to be documented, right? And trust me, you're gonna be learning a whole lot from the things I do and the things I'm working on, right? For instance, I'll be launching my agency pretty soon. I'm working on a startup that I would love to share with you guys and put it out there to get my first users, right? So again, if you're interested in all things technology, how to utilize technology to make your life better and also make money for you, And also, if you're interested in productivity hacks and how to get better at your career, how to get better at your business, this is the channel you should be subscribed to, right? So, if you're interested in any of these topics, I need to hit that subscribe button and anticipate my future videos to come. I'll be having a playlist on, for those that are interested in working remotely as a tech professional, whatever tech skill you have, how to get a remote job and all that. So I have a playlist for that, which you can just go to the playlist and scroll through all the videos. I'll be sharing tips and tricks, step-by-step strategies on how I landed my first remote job as a tech person, and also how you can work anywhere in the world from the comfort of your home with anybody in any company through what we call open source technology. So there's gonna be a whole lot of value, massive, massive, massive value coming up. So like I said, I want you to stay tuned. Once again, hit the subscribe button if you're yet to hit the subscribe button, and just stay tuned to share my journey in general. Though throughout this journey, we're gonna be having a slogan. In most of my videos, you will hear me say things like "stay rich," right? It's something I kind of like picked up, and I feel something I want to stick with because I believe that every single second of your life, you should stay rich, right? Now, when I mean rich, I don't just mean rich financially, right? But that's also included. For every area of your life should be rich, right? And it is something you should work towards doing. It's a continuous effort. Hence the term "stay rich," and it's also written on my shirt. So anytime you see a guy on a white shirt with a rich inscription on the front, just know that that's Richard Chuku on your screen. And yeah, so stay tuned and stay rich.